My dear students, we will see next question. Question number 6. If A is equals to 1 matrix is given, then verify A dash into A is equals to identity matrix. Already told identity matrix is 1 0 0 1 2 by 2 identity matrix. 3 by 3 identity matrix is what? 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Here we are finding 2 by 2 identity matrix. That's why I had to do 1 0 0 1 only. Okay, I have to prove this one. This is the identity matrix. Okay, first A already given in the problem itself. First I have to calculate A dash. Okay, now A dash is equals to what? To the first row as a first column, cos alpha sin alpha. Second column, second row as a second column, minus sin alpha cos alpha. Okay, now then calculate A dash into E. Okay, na? Calculate A dash into E. Okay, first write down A dash. Cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha into A. Cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Okay, na? So like that I have to write first. If you write like this means we can easily, okay, we can eliminate the mistakes, more mistakes. We can easily do. Fix first row and first column. No? Fix first row and first column. See. Fix. Cos alpha into cos alpha. What is the answer? Cos square alpha. Minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha is what? Minus into minus plus. Plus sin square alpha. Cos alpha into sin alpha. Cos alpha into sin alpha. And minus sin alpha, first row, second column, no? Like that. Minus sin alpha into cos alpha. Minus sin alpha cos alpha. Okay, na? Second row, first column. Sin alpha into cos alpha. Sin alpha cos alpha. Okay. Plus cos alpha into minus sin. Minus. Cos alpha sin alpha. Cos alpha sin alpha. Next. Second row, second column. Okay, sin alpha into sin alpha, sin square alpha. Okay, and cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square plus cos square. Okay, like that. See, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is what? You know, one property is there in trigonometry. So, one answer is one. What is one? Okay, one. Sin alpha, cos alpha, sin alpha, cos alpha. Both are same, no? Cancel. Z becomes 0. Okay, na? And sin alpha, cos alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha, sin alpha. Both are the same, no? Both will be cancelled. 0. And sin square alpha, cos square alpha. Again, it will be 0. So this is nothing but what? This is nothing but identity matrix. Already see A dash A is equals to I. Okay, na? So this is very easy. My dear students, see. Already done now one problem. So this is question number 6, second problem. Okay, have to do this one as a homework. A matrix is given like this: sin alpha, cos alpha, minus cos alpha, sin alpha. Same question, sir. Different question, same method. Okay, have to verify A dash into A is equals to I. Same. First have to calculate A dash. A dash into A. Have to do the multiplication. Then, if you done after the completion of the multiplication, you will get the identity matrix, means 1 0 0 1. Okay, na? So this is the homework. Okay, next we will move to the question number 12. I will do 7th, all these things. Okay, this is related problem, that's why I am doing this one. Okay, if A matrix is given like this, question number 12, this one, A matrix is given like this, then A plus A dash is equals to I. The problem itself given, A plus A dash is equals to I. Have to find out alpha. Here alpha is there, now alpha have to. Options also given: pi by 6, pi by 3, pi 3 by 8. Okay, how to do this one? See, take that term. A first have to calculate A dash. A dash is equals to what? Transpose this matrix. First row will become first column. Cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Okay. And condition is, what is the condition? A plus A dash is equals to I. A plus A dash is equals to I. No. Right, A is here, A dash. both, add both. Cos alpha plus cos alpha, 2 cos alpha. Okay na? Minus sin alpha plus sin alpha cancel, 0. Sin alpha minus sin alpha 0. Cos alpha 2 cos alpha is equals to what? Identity matrix 1 0 0. Okay na? So like that first static. Compare both matrices are equal now. The problem itself given, that's why 0 0 0 0 is given now. We can compare corresponding elements. We can compare corresponding elements. 2 cos alpha is equals to 1. 2 cos alpha is equals to 1. Okay na? So cos alpha is equals to what? Cos alpha is equals to 1 by 2. Okay. And alpha is equals to what? R inverse of 1 by 2. Okay. What is cos inverse of 1 by 2? Cos inverse of 1 by 2. To write the cos values. Cos theta 0 degrees. Cos theta values 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Okay. Write down the values. Okay. Write down the values. Cos 0 is equals to what? Cos 0 is equals to 1. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Okay na? Cos 45 1 by 2. Cos 60 1 by 2. This one 0. Okay. So cos inverse of 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is there, no? Cos 60. Cos 60 is equals to 1 by 2. Cos 60 is equals to what? Cos 60 is equals to 1 by 2. Okay na? So cos inverse of 1 by 2 will become 60 degrees. 60 degrees is equals to what? 5 by 3. So this is the right answer. 5 by 3 is the right answer. This is very very important for the 1 mark question. Okay na? My dear students, we will move to the next concept. Very very important concept and very easy also. Symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix or matrices. Okay na? So when we can tell, okay, a matrix is symmetric or skew symmetric. Okay. So let us consider one example. By using one example, we can clearly know that whether it is symmetric or not. Okay. Let us take this one. Okay. 1 4 5 6 4. Okay. First have to do transpose for this matrix. Do the transpose. A dash. A dash means what? First row will become first column 4 5. Second row will become second column. Observe these two things. Observe these two things. What do you decide? 4 5 4 5. Okay. Okay. Sorry. So let us consider another matrix. 4 4 5 5 6 like that. Okay, sorry. So check this one. A matrix 4 5 5 6. Okay, do the transpose 4 5. First row will become first column. Second row will become second column. So check these two matrices. 4 5 4 5 5 5 6 5 6. Both are same now. So I already done transpose. See, transpose. First row will become first column. Second row will become second column. Okay. By observing, we can declare that A is equals to A dash. A is equals to what? A dash. This type of matrix, okay, tell that it is called symmetric matrix. Okay, na? So already wrote one matrix, so that is not a symmetric matrix. This is symmetric matrix. Okay, na? So what is the condition? What is the definition for the symmetric matrix? A matrix A is said to be a symmetric matrix if A dash is equals to A. Means transpose of the given matrix will be same matrix, means then we can tell that the matrix is symmetric at the end. Okay na? So what is the condition? Mainly we have to do this one. A dash is equals to A. Okay, let us take 3 cross 3 another matrix. 3 cross 3. Let's take another matrix 3 cross 3. Okay na? 4 5. What is that? 1 2 3. Okay. 2, 6, 7, 3, 7, 8. Check this one. Do the transpose. A transpose. A transpose is equals to what? First row will become first column. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7. 3, 7, 8. 3, 7. Check this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, same. 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, same. 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8. So how you retain this? Tell me any technique. I'll tell on technique for you. Okay, how to find out easily by seeing only we can tell whether it is symmetric or not in 3 cross 3 matrix. How it will be seen. So leave it this principal diagonal elements. Okay, these two will be same. These two will be same. These two will be same. Very easy technique. Okay, now if you find this one easily, you can tell that by seeing only you can easily tell that symmetric. But in the examination you should not write directly. Okay, in CET you can by seeing only you can tell that. Okay, whether it is symmetric or not. But in PUC examination, if you give for 2 marks means you have to write like this and you have to decide later. Then you can decide that A is equal to A dash. Then A is symmetric matrix. You have to write like that. Otherwise you lose the marks. Okay, if you have knowledge. Okay, but have to write the procedure to score more marks. Okay, now this is symmetric matrix. Okay, understood? We will move to the skew symmetric matrix. Okay, now see what is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, let us consider A matrix 0, 0, 0, 4, 4 minus 4, 6 minus 6. Okay, 3 minus 3. So you do the transpose A dash. You do the transpose 0, 0 will be minus 4 minus 6, 4, 0, 3, 6 minus 3 is 0. So this is transpose. So we'll make the common minus common that 0 minus 4 minus 6, 4, 0, 3, 6 minus 3 is 0. Observe these two things. Both are same, I think. 0 minus 4 minus 6. 4, 0, 3. 4, 0, 3. 6 minus 3. What is the condition? Means here, when we can tell a matrix is skew symmetric means a matrix is said to be a skew symmetric if A dash is equals to minus A. Otherwise, A is equals to minus A dash. You can take any. Okay. So A dash is equals to minus A. Otherwise, A is equals to minus A dash. Means, see, after completing the A dash, have to make the common, we get the same matrix. This is called the condition. A equals to A dash. A equals to minus A dash is skew symmetric. A equals to A dash means what? It is symmetric. This is symmetric. This is skew symmetric. Minus with this. So what is the easy way of understanding by identifying whether it is skew symmetric or tell me. Okay, this I will tell one easy technique. Okay, na? See what is the easy technique? See, in skew symmetric matrix, first condition is what? Principal diagonal element. Principal diagonal element should be what? 0. Principal diagonal element should be 0. Okay, and in symmetric matrix, what? These two will be same, no? But here in skew symmetric, if this is 4, it will be minus 4. If this is minus 4, it will be plus 4. Like that. Opposite, same number, sign will be same. Sign will be changed. Sign will be changed. 6 minus 6. We will write like that also. Okay. 3 minus 3. Sign will be changed. Same property, but sign will be changed. But another property is, another condition or technique is principal diagonal elements are 0. Okay, na? So first you have to identify. Okay, first you have to identify what is the difference between symmetric and skew symmetric. First you have to know. Okay, my dear students, if you are understanding or not, okay, when we can tell that means by telling the difference we can easily understand. Tell me that what is the difference between the symmetric and skew symmetric? In examination they won't ask, but our understanding purpose I am asking. So what is the difference in symmetric? Condition is what? A equals to A dash. In skew symmetric, A equals to minus A dash. In skew symmetric, the principal diagonal elements are, you can write any 0 or whatever it may be. But in skew symmetric, all should be 0 only, principal diagonals. But in symmetric, these two are same, these two are same, these two are same. But in principal in skew symmetric, these are same, but sign will be changed. Not same actually. Number will be same, but negative sign. Okay na? So these are the differences between symmetric and skew symmetric. Okay na? This is very important for the main examination. Okay, first you have to understood. If you have any doubt, please call me. My mobile number is 9742987782. I am Mahesh, mathematics lecturer. If you have any, if you like this video, well, okay, my dear student, please like and share my videos. Okay, thank you very much.